In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an Elementor Pro subscription. If you have decided it's time to move on from Elementor Pro, whether it's because you found another tool or you simply no longer need it, I'm here to guide you step by step through the process. By the end of this video, you'll be able to easily navigate your account settings and cancel your subscription with confidence. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Elementor website. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in my.elementor.com/websites. Hit enter and you'll be directed to the Elementor website's page. It's important to remember that you need to be logged into your Elementor account to access your subscription settings. So if you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do that. Once you're on the Elementor website's page, turn your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find the profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu showcasing various options regarding your account. Clicking around in your profile menu is where you'll find just what we are looking for: access to your subscriptions. Now focus on the menu options and look for the subscriptions link. Once you've spotted it, click on subscriptions. This is the crucial step in our journey. After you press it, you'll be taken to a page that provides details about your current subscription plan, including billing information, renewal dates, and more. Here, you'll see all your active subscriptions listed. With this information at your fingertips, the next move is quite straightforward. Within this subscriptions page, you should find an option to cancel. It's usually indicated by a cancel button next to your active subscription. It's important to thoroughly review any terms or conditions associated with your cancellation to avoid unwanted surprises. Once you click cancel, follow any additional on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. Sometimes you might be asked to provide a reason for your decision. This feedback is generally optional, but it can help Elementor improve their services. After confirming the cancellation, make sure to check your email for a confirmation message. This email will serve as proof that your subscription cancellation request was successfully processed. It's always a good idea to keep a record of this confirmation for your personal documentation. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully cancelled your Elementor Pro subscription. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process a bit clearer for you. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tech tutorials and guides just like this one. See you next time.